Good morning. This is Tracy Pepe from Smelling Pink. Today is Fill Up Your Cup. And we're in my car. And I want to teach you a really simple way to deal with an anxiety or panic attack when you're on the highway, stuck in traffic. You have an individual that may be in the car that is upset. As you know, I have mentioned and spoken about my son who's on the spectrum, and many times when he was little having a tantrum, it was very hard to drive a car safely when someone's screaming. And I learned a really simple technique almost out of desperation, to be totally honest with you, when I was in the car on a long trip. I carry cotton balls, and those cotton balls are things that I can use. I would give them to my son as well. In the middle of the panic attack, I would pull over to the car, take a few breaths, get sure that I'm safe, but take out essential oils, in particular these scents that I know would help calm, bergamot being one, for example. Put a few drops on the scent and put it in the air vents, and as I composed myself, carried away. I would also give the scent to my son and tell him to do some deep breathing or some smells, or sometimes if he was frantic, using stimulates or just extreme smells, peppermint, eucalyptus. What does that smell, Mommy? These are the things that break the repetition within, especially children who are on the spectrum, when their brain gets stuck and they become stuck within something that seems non-rational, non-logical to anyone else, but for their world, it is very much so a part of the circumstance. All of this builds pressure, can be frustration and difficult. And when you are trying to navigate and support those that love you, or support those that you love, it is really important to have these really good tools. Now, this is not aromatherapy. We have webinars on a regular basis to talk about the science and the research on how scent impacts cognition, all the great work that we're doing with Alzheimer's, dementia, various different long-term care homes, and how we use scent as a tool. It is a tool, and it is another support system to help along the journey of mental health. My name is Tracy Pepe, and I hope you enjoy the videos and the content that I provide for you. Short, simple. Hit the like button below, join, subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on LinkedIn. We have a fantastic research group called the Olfactive Group, where if you are part of that community, you will get updated research and information. And of course, we're on Facebook. I look forward to talking to you soon, and remember, using cotton balls, put them in the air vents, if you can see, turn the vent on, crack up the smell, and if you have somebody who has smelly socks, it also helps too. Thanks again. Have a great day.